Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Wheel Hobbies. Today we'll be talking about Ben Lang's mk4 Astra and why it's here. Ben?
Well, it didn't work, which is never a good start. Turned out I changed the starter loom to put the battery in the back, set up for a charge cooler, had to run in extra wires. What else did we do? Oh, rad, turbo setup and everything all got changed.
Upgraded the fuel pump.
Yeah, changed the fuel pump. I thought that was a problem at first because it was starting and dying within a couple of seconds. So we thought possibly the fuel pump was wired in backwards. Turned out it wasn't that. After nearly dying and setting the bar right, which was very fun. And Gary's having to heat shrink in the fuel tank.
Yeah, so numerous phone calls went on trying to help and advise over the phone, which is so damn hard when you're 5 hours away. Yeah, so
down the road they said. It'd be
in the end, Ben bought the van to me.
More of a range, the van's coming,
yeah,
get
so
ready.
It was a midnight working, and it was like, what the hell is it? So we changed the crank sensors numerous times, coil packs, ECUs,
DI packs, 3 or 4 DI packs, just in case it was that, just in case it was that.
Checked for fuel pressure, making sure that it wasn't getting starved of fuel. So on inspection of checking the fuel pump, which is a good saviour point,
yes,
the fuel pipe wasn't even clamped properly, so it was actually losing pressure. We thought, yeah, that's it, that's the job. But on inspecting that, the actual terminals for the fuel pump was sloppy and not insulated, so it could have quite easily just shorted out and
boom. Ben's million-year van build, gone.
So it was like, yay, this is the problem. This is where it's losing pressure. Start it. Boom. Cut out again. It's like pulling out.
It unplugged all the sensors, all different sensors. It would run for half a second more, half a second less.
So after all this, we thought, right, we've got a nice reverse loom that I pulled off my van. So we fitted that, and it has transformed the bay massively. No more ECUs or loom adapters up here where moisture can set in, causing more terminal connection problems. So then we tried my loom adapter on it as well. Just quickly, started up. Lovely. Ran, revved everything, didn't it? So we went ahead and installed it properly. Went to start it. Whoa, out again. It's like, oh my god.
It turned out the universal loom adapter wasn't very good.
No.
The reverse loom was a good, that helped. But we pulled it away, didn't we? And it died. It ran. We moved the loom adapter.
Yeah, the original one. Yeah.
And it just died.
Yeah.
Straight away. Have you got one of these, Gary? Yes. So we pretty much just turned this into the bed sling I got with my engine. In a nutshell, like engine wiring wise.
Yeah, sounds cool. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So anyway, so basically what it turned out to be was, because its original ECU, which is under the wing, is still connecting for some unknown reason. The only thing we can suss out that it was sending a neutral signal to the RPM, which the Saab loom adapter was piggybacked in with, and that was killing the spark.
Yeah.
So as soon as we cut that wire, perfect.
Yeah, because it would start, wouldn't it? And then it cut fuel. Yeah. And then it would run itself out of fuel. Yeah. And then it would cut, and then the fuel would kick back in after it's not sparking. Yeah. It was really, really bizarre.
It was a real mind boggle, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah. Yep. So obviously now, just put you in a better position to see the reverse loom. Obviously normally it comes all the way across here. People wrap it round there, and then it went up through that hole there. So now, it runs, well, you can't even see it, but it does, it runs across here, down there, through the bulkhead, which, yeah, stealthy. And then obviously, this is where it all connected. So as you can see, behind the mk4 glove box, mk4 Astra glove box, you've got your heater fan here, and then we've ran the loom through the bulkhead just up the back there. We have put all the sound ending back in place, proper grommet there. Loom adapter lives up there, nicely in the corner, and everything you need to wire up the b204 is actually in the passenger footwell behind the dash. So obviously you can pick up on your earth point, power points in here, fuel points in here, And some diesels, they don't have it, obviously, so you just have to pin it out in the bottom corner, bottom left corner there for the fuel pump. Ignition live is just inside this one here. And then obviously you've got all your other wiring, such as EML, knock LED you can run through, which we've used as this radiator warning lights. It's all in this loom here. Obviously run OBD port down here. And then also the ECU lives in the dry where it should be, which if I can just put that like that, so when the glove box goes in, this ECU sits like, so awkward with one hand, like so. I shall show you once it's in how it sits due to the type of glove box we've got. Okay, so there we go, glove box is all back in. As you can see, this CDX glove box, so it has nice little cubby holes. As you can see, the ECU is nice and firm there. No vibrations, quick access to whip it out if you need to. A lot neater. Yep, so this is Ben Lang's van from Essex, but he'll shout at me because it's Sussex.
Essex is like 140 miles away from Essex.
Yep.
I'm not even going to swear because you're recording.
Ben couldn't even afford coilovers or anything, so he's put bricks in the back.
That's just a charge for the tank. What's the cheap of bricks?
Yeah. Pretty amazing van, to be fair, apart from that dent there. Apart from that though, she is a beautiful van. Some nice little soft touches. Boost gauge not in properly, Ben. Nice empty seats. And obviously another little addition with this is in here you've got loads of LEDs in here that are not used. So what we've done, we've wired it in, so the radiator and the spanner light, isn't it? They flash up for knock. So basically it's all stealthy, no little LEDs installed because it's utilising what's already in the vehicle. Obviously, again, ECU nicely installed there. Obviously you can't get shooken around, and it's quick and easy to remove if required.
Yeah. Just down the road. Yeah. 5 hours at 50 mile an hour. Transit trailer.
7 on the way up.
Yeah, mate, it was pretty. Was it 45 minutes? 5.1 miles or something? Yeah, just that 5 hour journey. 1 hour 45.
Right guys, so that's pretty much for this episode. You probably will be seeing more videos of the van.
It's coming back. The way it's coming back.
Yeah, but not for the same problem.
Oh no, it's just upward and
Cruising.
upward and upward.
Basically, you're going to be just getting rid of a lot of the engine bay wire and the relocation of all that things. Gradually it is.
More and more and more work and less and less to see. Worst thing and best thing about wiring.
Yeah.
The more time you put in, the less it looks like you did.
Yeah. Right guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Cheers guys.
Bye.